Hi, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to install and issue a standard SSL certificate. Before you start, and for a seamless experience, we recommend that you have the name servers and hosting for your domain pointing to us. Otherwise, you can purchase any of the other SSL certificates we offer. Once you've confirmed hosting and name servers are with us, go to the Security tab, hover over SSL certificates, and click on Purchased Certificate. Now, go to the Domain Validated section and click Continue. You can then choose the Standard SSL Certificate, which is great for standalone domains, or Standard SSL Wildcard, which can cover the primary and unlimited third-level subdomains. For this example, we'll go with the Standard. In the CSR information page, enter in the common name or the domain name that you wish to purchase the certificate for. For this example, we'll go with accountexample.com. Then click Continue. Now you can process the payment using whatever card is on file. You can also enter a new card if necessary. Click Confirm Order to finalize your purchase. You will then be greeted with a banner letting you know that your certificate has been issued. You can go to the Security Home section to see that signed certificate. If you encounter any issues or would like assistance, please contact TierraNet's customer support.